Alright guys, turkey necks, chopped onion, bay leaves, salt, pepper, ground ginger, and curry powder. Garlic cloves, chopped please. Then we're going to add some water all around the turkey. You're going to stir this up together. Put in the oven on 475 for 45 minutes. And voila! Look at that steam. Wish you could smell this. Put that aside. Get you some onions. Slice them up. Here we have an onion slicer, veggie slicer, whatever floats your boat. And then that you slice those, you're going to make sure you dice them finely. Alright, and I'm going to get some bell pepper. Red bell pepper the same way. And the orange we're using here, you can use just green if you like. Get you some olive oil. This is grapeseed oil right here though, but olive oil preferably. Get your little butter, a little Pyrex pan. And we're just gonna decorate this bad boy, make it look all beautiful and very colorful. Like so, just like this. Then you're gonna take those turkey necks, boy I tell you, and you're just gonna decorate them and make it look mouth-wateringly delicious. And just add those. Ooh, I wish you guys could smell this right now. Tried my best not to eat these while he was preparing. Then you're gonna just take the leftover veggies and just decorate them and make them look so much beautiful, just like the Taj Mahal. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Alrighty guys, and then the most important part, you're gonna take this and you're gonna put this bad boy back in the oven. But first, you're gonna pour those juices off those turkey necks. Put your little parsley for garnish and decoration, but it always makes it taste well. Get you some foil and just put that bad boy back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes till it comes out looking like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, then you just take that out. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. Can you smell it? Oh, you can't smell it, only I can. Look at that. Oh, we're gonna plate. Just put it on a plate like so, like that. Look at that. Just go right through. Just you want some? Oh, mouth. Oh, you can't have any. Look at that. Look at that. All right, guys. I thank you so much for watching this. Try this recipe. You won't go wrong. And you can't mess it up. Bye.